You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to convert multiple images in one format to another format using Python. Here we will convert JPG images into PNG images. First of all, I created a folder named converter which hold the .py file. It means our source code file. Here I also created two subfolders. First one is JPG and second one is PNG. Here I stored all JPG images in JPEG folder. Here converter is our root folder because source code file is stored here. All converted files will be stored in PNG folder. Let's start. First of all, we will install all necessary packages. Here I am using Anaconda command prompt for installation. First, our package is below that will use to convert our image from one format to another format. Here I am using pip manager. You can also use DOS version. It means DOS command prompt for installation. Second package is OS main operating system, and third package is glob package for file handling. Now we are going to start programming. So here I am using Anaconda Spider as an editor. First of all, we will import all necessary packages. First package is Pillow. Here we will use PIL library of Pillow package and import image class. Second, we will import OS, and third we will import glob class of glob package. In this tutorial, first of all, we will learn how to convert a single JPG file into PNG file, and next we will learn how to convert multiple images from JPG to PNG. Here I will convert food.jpg file into food.png file. So first of all, we will assign the path of our JPG file to a variable source. I am showing you this is the food.jpg file which we will convert. Here dot is showing our root folder address, that is converter. And second, we will set destination folder address, that is ./png. Here again I am telling you dot means root folder where our source code file is stored. You can also describe whole path also from C drive or D drive. Next, I will open our JPG file by using image.open function, and the data is stored in a variable named image. Next, we will save this opened image in a different format by using save function. This function has two parameters. First one is file name and second one is format name. Here we are using PNG format, and at last we will print the message that file has converted. Now we will run the program. In output window it is showing that file converted. So we will open the PNG folder and check whether file is converted or not. So this is the converted PNG file in PNG folder. Next we will learn how to convert multiple images stored in a folder to another format using Python. Here I will use three packages. First one is PIL, second one is OS, and third one is glob. In this program, first of all, we will assign the path of our JPEG folder where all JPG images are stored. This path is assigned to variable source underscore folder. Next, we will assign the path of our destination folder where PNG converted files will be stored. This path is assigned to variable dest underscore folder. Next, I will create a string where first part is source folder and next one is a wildcard character, that is asterisk dot. Here asterisk dot jpg will be added with our source folder for searching all the jpg files. Here star dot jpg means all the jpg files. This string is assigned to variable source underscore path. Next, we will insert this source underscore path string into glob function, and glob function will give us a list of paths of all JPG images. All these paths will be stored in a Python list named images. Next, by using for loop, I will print all the path of all JPG images. Now run the program. In output window, it is showing full path of all 5 JPG images which we will convert into .png. Next, I will erase the folder name from all these paths. It means I will print only file name with extension like food.jpg, kiwi.jpg, main.jpg. For this, I will use OS library package. For this, we will write file name equal to os.path.basename, and then in parentheses we will pass parameter image. Here file name is a Python list. Next, we will print the Python list file name and run the program. That will show you the list of image name without folder name, without path. In output window, it is showing the list of all the images with extension. Next, I will erase all the extension name from each image name. I will delete .jpg from each file name, and it will show only file name, means food, kiwi, man, paper, woman, like this. Here I will use split text function that will split our image name into two parts. First one is file name and second one is extension. The index of first part is 0 and the index of extension is 1. So here we will use only 0 in bracket. Now print the file name and run the program. In output window, it is showing the name of all 5 images without extension. Next, I will set the path of our PNG files. For this, I will use dest folder plus photo name plus .png. That will create a full path of all our PNG files. Next, I will print list of path of all PNG files and run the program. In output window, it is showing full path of all 5 PNG files. Next, we will convert all JPG files into PNG files. So first of all, we will open each JPG file one by one. Next, we will save this JPG file into PNG file by using save function and pass the path of our destination folder and the format, that is PNG. At last, we will print the successful message that all files are converted. Now run the program. It is taking some time, but now it is showing the function that all files converted. It means we have converted all JPG files into PNG. So first of all, we will open the PNG folder. Here all 5 images are showing. Now we are checking the extension of each image and it is showing that all these images are converted PNG images. Now I am deleting all these 5 PNG images and run the program again. Again in output window it is showing that all files converted, and open the folder of PNG and all 5 PNG are stored here. Now I am ending this tutorial for today. Thank you.